In today's video, I'm going to teach you about navigating QuickBooks to manage and delete your expenses effectively. This guide is perfect for anyone looking to get better organized with their business finances and streamline their accounting processes with QuickBooks. Let's dive right into it, and don't worry if you're new to this, we'll take it step by step. First, you need to head to your QuickBooks account. Once you're logged in, look at the dashboard in front of you. The layout is designed to be intuitive, but with any tool, there are so many features that it might feel overwhelming. Today, though, we're focusing on expenses, so go ahead and locate the Expenses tab. You'll typically find this on the left-hand side of your screen. Clicking here will take you to an overview of all your business expenditures. Now that you're in the Expenses section, take a moment to familiarize yourself with this page. Here, you can view all your transactions at a glance, filter by date, and organize them by various categories. This feature is particularly helpful if you're preparing for a financial review or simply trying to keep track of where your money is going. Next, after you've checked out the rundown of expenses, you're ready to dive a bit deeper. Find the area where your expenses are listed. Here, each transaction entry will have associated actions you can take, such as viewing more details or making edits. If there's a particular expense that you need to highlight, perhaps it's an error or something you need to call attention to for your accountant, click to highlight it. This is a simple yet effective way of managing and preparing your documents for future use. Once you have highlighted the necessary expenses, it's time to do some cleanup. There could be some transactions that you no longer need. To remove these from your records, click on the highlighted expense that you wish to delete. Then, look for the Delete option. Remember, deleting an entry is irreversible, so ensure that you want that record gone before you proceed. It's always good practice to double-check the details before confirming the deletion. Confirm the deletion once you're absolutely certain. This step will help you maintain a clean and organized list of expenses, ensuring that your financial data is both relevant and current. If you find yourself needing to perform this task regularly, look into creating a periodic schedule to check in and manage your expenses in QuickBooks, and there you have it. With these steps, you are well on your way to efficiently managing your expenses in QuickBooks. We hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips on how to make the most of your digital finance tools. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.